this video, I'll show you how to use ripped paper frames in Canva. Open Canva and create a new project. Navigate to the Elements tab on the left side bar. Type ripped paper in the search bar and switch to the Frames category. Browse the options and click your chosen ripped paper frame to add it to the page. Resize and reposition the frame to fit your design. Next, upload or select an image from your files. Drag and drop the image directly into the frame. Double-click the image inside the frame to adjust its size, position, or crop for the perfect fit. That's it! Your image now appears within a stylish ripped paper frame. Thanks for watching.